Hi friends, how are you? I'm Arhan and my dinosaurs are hiding in the snow. Let's get them out. I'll take this out.
Oh, big dino. What is the name?
Mosasaurus.
What is the color?
It's blue and indigo maybe. This is kind of
Okay.
color.
It stays in the water?
Yeah, it's kind of a reptile.
Okay.
Can I take the snow out?
Yes. Then keep it in the basket.
It's a little bit more snow.
Okay. Yeah, let's check the next dino.
I'll take this out. I'll take this.
Okay.
Whoa! This dinosaur is gray.
What is the name?
I think it's the Ornithomimus.
Okay.
Oh, it had snow in his leg earlier. Just put it in the snow.
Yes, take it out.
Get all snowy.
Let's check the next dino.
Oh, I think this Dimetrodon have a foot. Oh man, this has a Facebook. This is the Dimetrodon.
What is the color?
It's black and blue feet and orange.
Nice.
Can I take the snow out?
Yes.
Like this. Get out snow. Let's give this a try. It's so heavy. Ugh. Whoa, that was a big splash.
What is that dino?
It's a T-Rex.
Oh. What is the color?
It's orange and black. Just like the same dino. But it doesn't have black like this.
Okay. Let's check next dino.
First I need... What is this dinosaur? Oh, I think it's a parasaurolophus. Get out, snow. I'll take the snow out.
What is the color?
It's green and black stripes.
Okay.
Oh, there's something here. I think it's a carnivore dinosaur.
Oh.
Whoa. I think this is a Disneysaurus. Let's get the snow out. Stuck in snow. Oh, you're free now. This is
Show it properly. Tell the colors.
It's blue, orange, or some other colors you can see.
Okay. Yeah, let's check next dino.
Oh, I think this is kind of a carnivore again. Whoa! This mouth is frozen. It's a velociraptor. Let's take the snow first.
What is the color?
Blue and I don't know this color. I think it's brown or something.
Okay. Let's check next dino.
Oh, there's something frozen here. I think all the herbivore dinosaurs.
Oh. Yeah,
Oh, there's one more left.
Yeah. What is that?
It's a Ceratosaurus.
Okay.
It's a baby one. And look at the horn. It's orange. And yet white here.
Yes, nice. Yeah. Next dino, please.
Oh, there's so many frozen dinosaurs to check. Whoa, this is a big one.
Yeah, what is
Let's
that?
take it. I think it's a kentrosaurus. What?
What is the color?
I think it's black and orange. Look at this dinosaur. Hi.
Yeah, let's check next dino.
I think this is a herbivore dinosaur. We need help. There you go. Oh, it's a Triceratops. I know these dinosaurs.
Okay, what is the color?
It's gray.
And how many horns it has?
3. But one is there's no one froze. There you go.
Yeah, let's check
Oh, there's
next dino.
something gray in there.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, it's kind of it's a friendly dinosaur. I think it's a Diplodocus or something. Hello!
Yeah, let's check next
Well,
dino.
there's something bigger. It's more bigger than the pachycephalosaurus.
Oh.
Which Whoa, this dinosaur is frozen. Let's take it out.
What dino it is? What is the name?
I think it's a pachycephalosaurus though. I think this is kind of frozen. Color change.
What is the color?
It's brown.
Okay.
Whoa, this pterodactyl is stuck in the way. Let me put this here and I'll take another dinosaur. Oh, here. One. Whoa, this neck is taller. Oh, those are cool.
What is this?
I think it's a parasaurus or something.
Okay.
Let me get it out of his mouth. Oh, there we go. The Spinosaurus is free. It's orange and yellow.
Nice.
Look at the mouth. It's just opening a little bit.
Next dino.
Oh no, this is kind of froze. He cannot come out. Ugh. Whoa, it just got out. This is a pterodactyl.
What it can do?
It flies.
Can you show it properly and tell the colors?
Wait, I need to get this leg free.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. This is orange and white wings. Get away. Oh, there's something stuck. It's really stuck. Oh, it's the other Triceratops again.
Okay.
Let's get it out. This kind and what is patches? Black patches.
Okay.
Oh, there's one more dinosaur left to get out. Whoa! I think it's a tyrannosaurus. Let's get this. I think it's green and red spots. The same color. We did it! Bye, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget your video. And subscribe.